Hello and good day everyone, and welcome to TNV Academy. Today we embark on a journey to explore the art of complaint handling in service industries guided by ISO 10002, the international standard for customer satisfaction. In the realm of services, adeptly addressing complaints is paramount for fostering customer loyalty and satisfaction. ISO 10002 offers a comprehensive framework designed to empower service industries in crafting exemplary complaint handling processes. Within service sectors like hospitality, healthcare, and financial services, complaints often surface due to diverse factors such as service quality and communication lapses. ISO 10002 equips service providers with the tools to conquer these challenges and elevate customer experiences. Customer-centric excellence. Central to success is a customer-centric ethos. Service providers must champion customer needs, listening attentively, empathizing genuinely, and resolving complaints with unwavering dedication to customer satisfaction. Timely and respectful response. Swift acknowledgement is the cornerstone of service excellence. Responding promptly to complaints, service providers instill confidence by keeping customers informed and setting realistic expectations for resolution. Mastery of service recovery. In the art of service recovery lies the potential for transformation. Embracing service recovery protocols, providers address complaints with humility, rectifying issues swiftly, and extending meaningful gestures to reaffirm customer value. Empowering frontline heroes. Frontline staff are the custodians of customer satisfaction. By investing in their training and empowerment, service providers arm them with the skills needed to navigate complaints gracefully, fostering trust and loyalty with each interaction. A culture of continuous advancement. ISO 10002 champions a culture of perpetual refinement, encouraging service providers to evaluate and enhance complaint handling procedures regularly. The standard fuels a cycle of improvement that propels service excellence. Benefits of masterful complaint handling in service industries. The rewards of adept complaint management aligned with ISO 10002 are manifold. Enhanced customer allegiance and satisfaction, amplified brand standing and reputation, elevated employee morale and engagement, pathways to innovation and service distinction, a legacy of enduring customer relationships. In conclusion, excelling in complaint handling is the cornerstone of success for service industries. With ISO 10002 as our compass, service providers can forge complaint handling processes that transcend expectations, enriching customer experiences and fortifying industry leadership. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey, and if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.